Today we talk about how can you get premium on your app, on your Starwork to app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on add on content here, so you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here, and here you select here all of here and this here content. Can you select it to pay it here? Just click on, for example, here, then you click here on add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.